Wednesday, February 19th. Once again, requesting any Amplify Dialogue study forms, and then we take some time to complete Lesson 1.6 warm-up. I'm going to start putting the screen a little earlier in our cycle. If you finished any previous work through 1.5, make sure you mark it as done on Classroom. In this lesson, we analyze and interpret data in the form of a graph in order to support one of the two claims about what caused the amount of energy storage molecules in living things in the biodome ecosystem to decrease. In this case, you're given a choice between carbon dioxide and sunlight, connecting cause to effect. We then create visual models. You're going to go back and update your digital model from yesterday, and then provide a written explanation to communicate what you've learned. In other words, how does your model and the graph demonstrate your understanding of what might be happening in the biodome? So we analyze the biodome graph for new information. We use the reasoning tool to construct our ideas. We explain in writing how our model explains what happened in the biodome, and we complete the self-assessment. In our biodome explanation, we want to include elements of your ecosystem model. Agenda, warm up. Then we review concepts and get a new message from the doctor in charge of the biodome project. We discuss the biodome graph, and that is step 2. In step 3, you use the reasoning tool to construct your ideas. In other words, you have a one-row table. You've seen it before. You provide evidence. You tie it to a claim using reasoning. And then you update and explain your current model, and that is the written paragraph version of what you did in the reasoning tool. And then complete the self-assessment. The self-assessment's a bit long, so hang in there. And that's the end of 1.6. As we complete it, again, a reminder to mark it as done on Classroom so you don't get the email reminders.